Right, how long does it take an old man to shift 10 ton of hardcore? If you stay tuned, you'll find out. Okay, it's time I come up with a better solution for this old, rotten, dangerous wood decking. I replaced this staircase last week, but this leads me down onto this decking area down here. And as you can see, it's rotten, it's dropping to bits, it's dangerous. It's been down 10 years, and it's about time I replaced it with a more permanent solution.
Got this monkey on my back that I just do not need. A reoccurring problem that I try not to feed. It muscles in to show its face just when I need it least. But we just seem to coexist like Beauty and the Beast. I just want to get things done, but he's got other plans. Talks me into sitting down that shackles both my hands. I know it is all self-induced that somehow makes it worse. The only way I beat this thing, thought second actions first. Next time I procrastinate, I'll beat it to the past. I'll push the thought right out my head and knock it on its ass. I'll make it start to show who's boss, and then once I've begun, I'll smile inside cause I know now the job's 3/4 done. I'll smile inside cause I know now the job's 3/4 done. Where did this beast come from and how does it survive? Is it just irrational fear that keeps this thing alive? Don't put things off, don't hesitate, stop wasting precious time. Begin the job, take back control, and pretty soon you'll find. And pretty soon we'll find. If you don't give it credence, it gives you back control. That monkey will jump off your back and vanish down a hole. So don't think twice, don't hesitate, dive in without a care. Cause see, when you procrastinate, you don't get anywhere. I know that next time we lock horns, I'll beat it to the past. I'll push the thought right out my head and then I'll kick its ass. I'll make it start, show who's boss, and then once I've begun, I'll smile inside cause I know now the job's 3/4 done. I'll smile inside cause I know now, I'll smile inside cause I know now, I'll smile inside cause I know now the job's 3/4 done.
I reckon that'll take 10 ton. Right, it's Friday night. I've just ordered 10 ton of hardcore to be delivered tomorrow morning. So I'm having it tipped on my driveway here. I'm on the main road. So tipped there, and I've got to go through my garage with it. So I've cleared a space through my man cave. I've moved all the furniture to one side. There's my barrow and my shovel that I'll be using tomorrow. Pushed all this out to one side to give me a clear run through. I've put a ramp here, a bridge across, built myself a bit of a hard standing there, took that fence panel out. So that's my level I'll be coming out of my man cave at, and I've built this chute here which I can tip the hardcore straight down, straight into here. 200 quid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I hope I've got my calculations right, but you might be back next week.
Right. Are you doing a time lapse of it all as well, or?
It's what, sorry?
Are you doing a time lapse of it all?
Yeah, I'm filming it, I'm putting it on YouTube.
Right.
Yeah. But it's got to go around back, so I've got to go through there with it.
Barra as well.
Yeah. Right, see you later, cheers. It smells dusty. Right, 10 tonne, that's today's little workout. It's just short of 8:30, so see how long it takes.
Life begins at 40, that's what they all said. The kids are grown, the mortgage paid, I'm finally out the red. Not really sure what happened, I'm no financial geek, but now my money's all but gone at the end of every week. Is it just me, or do you think everything's gone up? A first world nation on its knees, it shouldn't hurt so much. From food and bills and license fees, the country's in a mess. As we do more to make ends meet, our wage buys less and less. Oh, can't help but wonder where all our money went. Remember once they left a note, said sorry it's all spent. Things are now at breaking point and trust is on the floor. Somebody needs to get a grip, cause we can't take much more. Life might start at 65, who could ever tell? It used to be the pension age, but they moved that as well. Shut your mouths and toe the line, it's just a few more years. They'll rinse us out of every drop, then tax us for our tears. The Grey Brigade is coming, you can't stop the flow. We did our bit and paid our dues and we carried the show. For years and years we paid tax like we thought we should, for promises you said you'd keep as we believed you would. The measure of society is how it treats the old. Too many of our pensioners left vulnerable and cold. Do what you were elected for, stop pushing for a fight. Why can't you just do your job and make the whole thing right? But of course we know you won't, it doesn't fit your brief. We all know you're no better than a fraudster or a thief. Life's long enough and you will see your reign can never last. The words are written on the wall that I already cast.
Oh God. 7 hours 20 minutes. I'm knackered. Not as fit as I thought. That was really hard, that. But the only thing that kept me going was I thought if I don't finish it today, I'll have to do it again tomorrow. So probably when there were about 2 or 3 tonne left, I was at the end of me me endurance, I think. Them last 2 tonne were hard work. But yeah, it's done now anyway. I mean, the job's not done. I've still got to flatten it all off, but I'm going to save that till tomorrow. The power of a good night's sleep. I was in bed at 8 o'clock last night. I was out like a light, but I feel a lot better this morning. I thought I wouldn't be at work this morning, but yeah, I feel alright, I feel fine. So, right, what I've got to do now, all this lot needs flattening off to fill this void, ready for the concreting. Okay, that was always the danger. I got 10 tonne of hardcore, but it's not quite enough. I think I need about another 4 tonne. So I've just texted the guy. It's bank holiday tomorrow, so I've just texted him to see if they're working tomorrow, but it's not. It's going to be Tuesday now. So I can't get any. I think I need about another 4 tonne, but I'm going to get a 5 tonne anyway, because I think once I fill that I can lose another 5 ton on here, because I was speaking to a builder friend of mine and he thinks if I put reinforcing in I could probably get away with 3 inch, because there's no cars out going on it, it's purely pedestrian. It's for putting some chairs on and possibly a wood burner on, which I couldn't put a wood burner on the decking. So that's part of the reason for doing this, and it lasts longer. Like I said before in other videos, I'm never having wood decking again. I should have done this the first time, but I knew I had this big hole to fill if I were going to concrete it, and to be fair, yeah, I didn't want to do it. Got to be honest. Well, not that I didn't want to do it, I didn't have the inkling to do it, and I thought, well, that's going to cost me a fortune. If I'd have known I could get, because that hardcore, by the way, it was £20 a ton, so I don't think that's too bad at all. Right, so he can't deliver it tomorrow, so this is going to be the end of the video. Right, I'll see you later, bye.